All right, another air quality alert for today, but I just stepped outside the last break and you can actually see it lighting up at the Boise front, which is new. So it appears that we're getting better.
I'm a little perplexed that our particulate matter readings are so high. It's from the DEQ. They put out those air quality alerts. We're in the red, but check out this time lapse. This is the camera out at the Weather Service office. Off to the right-hand side, that's the air inflation building where they inflate those weather balloons. That's why the weird shape of it. Anyway, we'll put this into motion. A few clouds move into the picture. You can see some smoke and some haze obscuring the foothills below, but it doesn't look nearly as bad as last week. I'll tell you what. I was surprised we weren't in the red last week. I mean, we were on a few days, but it was much worse last week.
Yeah, it seems worse last week.
Yeah. Anyway, hot today, some smoke mainly this morning, and cooler next week. Much cooler temperatures coming our way as a cold front moves across on Saturday. As far as any precipitation from it, well, it's going to be pretty meager, and that's going to be well to the northwest. There's our air quality alerts, and well, some improvement in eastern Idaho. They've dropped them for the eastern sections of the state, but not only do we have air quality warnings, but it's in the red today. Again, go figure. That's the forecast anyway from the Idaho DEQ. Here is our live look at the depot this morning. Currently, we have 66 degrees, winds at 3 miles per hour, humidity at 32%. Feels like temperature 66 as well with a lack of any wind. Getting kind of chilly in Stanley this time of the year, 37 degrees at this hour. It's 48 for McCall, 46 degrees in Baker City. For this Wednesday, August the 26th, we're forecasting a high of 98. That's 11 degrees above normal, and the overnight low will be 10 degrees above normal. But it won't be long before we're back well below normal, and that'll happen certainly by the weekend and first part of next week. Low pressure trough just off the Canadian coast. High pressure ridge to our southeast. In between, we have this monsoonal moisture flow coming up from northern Utah, catching the eastern sections of the state. For us, just hot and dry weather here in southwestern Idaho. We'll start to see some clouds move into the picture later on this evening, just in time for the last Alive After 5, by the way, in the Grove. Clear skies for Friday. Friday, later in the day, though, some clouds start to move into the picture, and there's our frontal system. The computer model leaves off in the early morning hours on Saturday, but that will be moving across in the middle of the day on Saturday. As far as our tight view of the futurecast, a few high clouds moving in the afternoon. Other than that, Thursday looking pretty much cloud-free. There's the clouds moving in for Friday. We might see some isolated showers, mainly over the nearby mountains. As far as rainfall accumulation over the next few days, mainly confined to eastern Idaho. So here's what we're looking at as far as our forecast. Some smoke and some haze, but not nearly as bad in the Magic Valley. In fact, they've dropped the air quality warning. Same thing for Sun Valley, otherwise partly cloudy skies. But smoke an issue around McCall and Cascade and the western end of the valley, and to a lesser extent Boise. Here is our forecast. Warm over the next 3 days, then quite a bit cooler. Saturday mostly cloudy, and then cooler still first part of next week. Daytime highs pretty close to 80 degrees both Monday and Tuesday. That's the look at weather.